In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as your planner. Open your browser and head to Trello.com. You'll land on the homepage where you can explore ways to organize work and personal tasks. We're going to start by using a ready-made layout so you can get a functional planner in minutes without building a board from scratch. Look toward the top navigation and click Templates. This takes you to Trello's template gallery, which is full of popular boards created for different workflows. Using a template saves time and gives you a structure that's already been tested. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type Task Planner. This narrows the results to planning and productivity boards designed to help you track what needs to get done each day. From the results, select the Daily Task Planner template. This option is perfect for a simple, focused system that helps you see what's on your plate today, what you're working on, and what you've finished. On the template page, click Use Template. This copies the template into your account so you get your own editable version. You're not changing the original, you're creating a personal board you can customize. Give your new board a clear descriptive title like Daily Planner or Today's Tasks so it's easy to find later. Then choose a workspace. A workspace is simply the place where your board lives in Trello. Think of it like a folder for related boards. Pick the workspace where you keep your personal planning or your team's boards. Click Create to finish copying the template. Trello will open your new board with a few lists already set up. Typically, you'll see columns for what you need to do, what you're doing, and what's done. You can rename lists to match your style and tweak the board background if you want a look that keeps you motivated. Now manage your daily task planner. Add a card for each task you want to complete today. Keep titles short and action-focused, like draft report or call client. Open a card to add details, due dates to create urgency, descriptions for notes, and checklists to break larger tasks into smaller steps. Drag cards between lists as you start and finish work, and reorder them to prioritize what matters most. Use labels or colors to group tasks by type or urgency and make your board easier to scan. As you complete items, move them to your done list and archive them at the end of the day to keep things tidy. A quick daily review, planning tomorrow's top 3 tasks, will help you stay consistent and keep your Trello planner clean and effective.